Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Since many students were requesting to send the model question paper for Arabic second year, so that is why right now I am going to send the model question paper for Arabic second year, and little bit explanation will be there about the each and every bits, so it will be easy to understand for all. So let's go to see the first bit. This is the first bit. Slightly changes here. If you compare the last year paper, that means there is a little bit difference between the first year and second year paper. Last year in the intermediate first year was asked only to write the 2 lines of the poem, but in this year you have to complete the following verses, as well as you have to write the explanation of the verses also, as it is given here. In the first bit, 3 options will be there: A, B and C. Under the A here, attempt any one of the following. Then A, what they are asking, complete the following verses and explain them. That means beginning of the verse and ending of the verse will be given. Here also second line, beginning of the sentence and ending of the sentence are given here, but there is a blanks in every line. So whatever the blanks are there, you have to fill that one. Then after, write down side heading explanation, and under the explanation particularly you have to write something about the verses which is mentioned above, and you should elaborate the explanation from extract some important points from the summary. For that you will be given 6 marks. So this is the option A. Then after, B and C. So among these 3, anyone you have to write. Then second bit is nothing but the summary of the poem, as you had done last year. It is also consist on 6 marks. So 3 options are there: Uhibbu, I love, Shabun Nabilun, noble boy, Alhamdu, the praise. So anyone among these you have to write in your own language. That means you can write in Urdu, English, whatever the language you know. It is very easy. Then after, the third bit. Third bit is nothing but the summary of the prose. Dars means lesson, prose. So write the summary of any one of the following lesson in not less than 100 words in your own language. Then Suratul Quraysh, Khidmatul Walidain, Madha Tuhibbu. So Suratul Quraysh, Suratul Ma'un, Suratul Falaq, Suratul Nas. So 4 surahs are in the prose section, as well as some more lessons are there, like Khidmatul Walidain, Madha Tuhibbu, lessons from the hadith. So these are the lessons which are from the prose section. So you have to write the summary in English, and marks is 6 here. Then after, bit number 4, and only 2 non-detail you have. Already you know bit number 4, will be asked from the non-detailed section. No need to write the summary, no need to write the one word, only short question and answer you have to write. So this is the question. ماذا سأل اللص الأول الولد أين جلس الأصدقاء أي خصلة محمودة عند الله والناس هل الكذب يهدي إلى الفجور أي شيء يهدي إلى البر. So you can find the answers from the non-detailed section. So there is a Fazlus Sidq and other lesson is there, Al-Asdiqa al-Hiras, greedy friend. So only 2 chapters are there. So easily you can prepare from those lessons. Al-Asdiqa al-Hiras, greedy friend, and Fazlus Sidq, virtue of the truthfulness. So it is consist on 8 marks. So bit number 4 is from non-detailed section. Remember this one. Then bit number 5 is nothing but whatever you had done last year. That means reference is asked here. So these are the 5 options. Any 2 you have to answer. Like Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu lahu sifatul baqiyah. So from which poem this line is taken? So you know this line is taken from the poem Alhamdu. So you have to write the same thing in Arabic. Hada, first you copy this one on the answer sheet. Then after, under this line, write Al-Jawab. Then after write Hada ash-shi'ru ukhida min nashidati Alhamdu. So you have to write 2, marks will be given 6. Then after bit number 6, it is also reference, but these references are from the prose section, and prose section is consist on surahs also and another lessons also. So some lines will be given from the surah and some lines will be given from the other lessons. So here also you have to write in Arabic like قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ مَلِكِ النَّاسِ. So هذه الآية أخذت من سورة الناس. Then after another lines are given which are from different lessons. So here you have to write هذا السطر أخذ من الدرس or هذه العبارة أخذت من الدرس خدمة الوالدين, and whatever the lessons are there. So it is also consist on 6 marks. Then after bit number 7. Bit number 7 is from the poetry section. SAQs, short question and answer, and marks is 6. So answer any 2 of the following in Arabic. 5 are given, you have to answer 2. Then after bit number 8, it is also SAQs, you have to answer 2, and these questions will be given from the prose section, remember. So this is also consist on 6 marks. Then bit number 9, VSAQs, one word answer. So VSAQs, the questions are given from the poetry section for 5 marks. Then after bit number 10, VSAQs, one word answer. These questions are given from the prose section for 5 marks. Then after bit number 11 and you don't have passage this year. Instead of passage, the letter writing will be given. As 3 letters are there in your syllabus, and they will ask you 2, and you have to write any one. So among 3 letters, you practice only 2 letters. Options will be there. You can write any one. So if you practice 2 letters, it will be enough to get the 5 marks. You have to write the letter in Arabic only. This is only 2 lines or 3 lines, not more than 2 or 3 lines. So it is not very difficult task to write in Arabic. So practice well, you can write. Then after bit number 12. Bit number 12, grammar starts from here. Grammar section starts from here. So you go to the grammar part. Bit number 12 has A and B section. Al-Murakkab al-Izafi means possessive phrase. So here some sentences are given. You have to pick out the possessive phrase, and you should know always in the possessive phrase, on the first part of the sentence of the phrase, there will be no alif lam. So here in the beginning there is no alif lam, that means Sayyaratul Mudir. This is the Murakkabi Izafi. So just underline this one, copy all, hold the sentence, then after open the bracket, then write Sayyaratul Mudir here, then after close the bracket. Haza Kitabu Hamid. If you see Haza or Zalika in the beginning, that means whatever the words are given after Haza, that will be the answer. Kitabu Hamid is the answer, possessive phrase. Baitul Tajir is a possessive phrase. Kalamullahi, possessive phrase. Baitullahi, Qalamu Mudarris. Then after B, here Jumla Ismiya, nominal sentence. So you have to pick out nominal sentence. You should know if the sentence begins with alif lam, that is the indication of nominal sentence. So al-waladu, al-qalamu, here there is no alif lam, that means this is verbal, not nominal. So just write down this one, open the bracket, then after write Jumalun Ismiya, then close the bracket. So 4 and 4, 8 marks. So bit number 12 will be consist on 8 marks. Then after bit number 13, remember this one, bit number 13, only attempt any 2 of the following. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 questions are there, but these 4 questions would not be translated in the examination also. It will be remained as it is. Whatever the questions are there, most of the questions will be asked from here only and without translation. You should know the meaning of these sentences. In that case only you will be able to write the answer. So, Uktub al-Juzain min al-Murakkab al-Izafi, write 2 parts of the possessive phrase. First part, like Sayyaratul Mudir, Sayyara, Al-Muzaf, Al-Mudir, Al-Muzafu ilayhi, like that. Uktub al-Juzain min al-Murakkab al-Tawsifi, Murakkab al-Tawsifi, adjectival phrase. So, you have to take the examples from your own, like Al-Qalamul Jadidu, the new pen. Al-Qalamu and al-jadidu. So you have to write the both parts. Al-mawsuf, the first part, and second part will be as-sifatu. Third one, uktub al-juzain al-jumlatul ismiya. Write two parts of nominal sentence with examples. Like al-qalamu jadidun, the pen is new. So al-qalamu will be mubtada or jadidun will be khabar. So two parts, mubtada and khabar. Then after, uktub ajza al-jumlatil fi'liyah bil amthila. Write the verbal parts of verbal sentences. So you should know there is a three parts of verbal sentences: fi'l, fa'il, and maf'ul. So kataba hamidun risalatan. Kataba wrote. This is the fi'l. You should write under the kataba fi'l. Hamidun fa'il, that means subject. And risalatan is an object, that means maf'ul. So they are asking three parts of the verbal sentence you have to mention. Give the examples, then mention what is the fi'l, what is the fa'il, and what is the maf'ul. So for this also, any two you have to write. You will be given 8 marks. Then bit number 14. حول 4 أفعال من الفعل المضارع إلى فعل الأمر من التالية. So فعل مضارع, present continuous. So from present continuous you have to make the imperative tense. Like taktubu, tajlisu, tazhabu, tansuru, taftahu, tarji'u. Second person. Ta is indicates second person. Just you remove the ta, delete the ta, and write down here alif. Then it will be uktub, ijlis, izhab, unsur, iftah, irja. Answer will be correct. Then after, convert the 4 verbs from present continuous to negative imperative. That means prohibitive negative. You are requesting, you are commanding someone, don't do this one. Tajlisu. Copy this one on the answer sheet. Then in the beginning write down lam alif zabar la. La tajlis, la tasjud, la tadkhul. Just prefix la. Answer will be correct. So here also 4 and 4 with number 14 has 8 marks. Very easy. These two, A and B, with number 14. Then after with number 15, little bit tough this one. Fill in the blanks, any 6 of the following sentences using the words given below. So better is you memorize this one. Ana talibun jadidun. I am a new student. Talibun jadidun. This one. I am a new student. Ulaika awladun mujtahidun. They are hardworking boys. Hadihi madrasatun mashhuratun. This is a famous school. Hamid wa Nabil wa Ammar asdiqaw, friends. Fataha, opened. Al-Khadim wal-Bab, the servant opened the door. Dakhal al-Ustazu, Ustaz entered. Fil fasl, in the class. Al al-Maq'ad, on the bench. La tajlis al al-Maq'ad, don't sit on the bench. Ammar ad-Dars, so Fahima Ammar ad-Dars. Ammar understood the lesson. So just memorize this one. The same thing will be given. The words will be given which you should fill in the blanks. So this is for 6 marks. Then after, you have to correct the answer, correct the sentence. Correct any 5 of the following sentences. 5 marks. Hazihi qalamul mudarrisi. So it should be haza, not hazihi. Zalika sa'atu Hamid. Zalika is wrong. Tilka. At-tuffahu fakihatun lazizatun. At-tuffahu fakihatun lazizatun. Hazihi bintun salihatun, not salihatun. Zalika waladun kibarun, kabirun, not kibarun. Hiya muslimun, it should be huwa muslimun. Zahabat Hamid ilal bayt, not zahabat, zahaba. La iftah al bab, no, la taftah al bab. So any 5 you have to correct, and 5 marks will be given here. So this is the model question paper. Practice as well. Inshallah, if you complete this model paper perfectly, it will be very helpful at the time of writing the final examinations. Best of luck. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.